How to reset Whirlpool Duet Dryer sensing. Resetting your Whirlpool Duet Dryer sensing can help clear error codes, fix moisturizer sensing issues, and restore the dryer to normal operation. Step number 1. Turn off the dryer. Press the button to the turn off the dryer. Make sure the cycle is fully cancelled. Disconnect power. Unplug the dryer from the power outlet or turn off the circuit breaker for the dryer. Wait for 5 minutes. This allows the control board to reset the clear any stored code. Restore power. Plug the dryer back in or turn on the circuit breaker. Step number 5. Turn on the dryer. Press the power button to turn on the dryer. The sensing system will recalibrate automatically. Step number 6. Reset complete. Your WP Do It dryer sensor has been reset and is ready to use. What does a reset do? Clear error codes and fault memory. Reset the moisturize sensing system. Fixing issue with over drying or under drying. Restore normal cycle performance. Help the dryer sense moisturize accurately again. Important notes. This reset will not erase your cycle or custom setting. If the problem continue, note the error code if any and refer to the user manual. Always ensure the dryer is off before disconnecting power. Using metal item in the dryer can interfere with moisture sensing. If you have still having issues, clean the lint filter before every load. Check the vent is not blocked or unrestricted. Ensure the load size is not too small or too large. Run the vent sensor test. If the issue persists, contact WP customer support or a qualified technician. If your dryer shows an error code after resetting, check the complete list of code in your owner manual for specifics. If you need more help, then tap to the link below and enter the model number to access manual videos and troubleshoot. Please make regular maintenance. Clean the lint filter before each load and inspect your venter regularly to keep your dryer working efficiently. Thank you.